This whole thing started when I received a package from overseas, and I thought, hey, I can make something out of this. So I grabbed a can of spray foam and I just started sculpting. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Make sure you're wearing gloves when you use spray foam, something I'm learning the hard way. I made these forks, which are part of the mechanism, and I'm going to bake these into the mold. I'm going to use the same spray foam to do this, but I'm going to wear gloves this time. And now I'm going to put a coat of paper mache over the sculpture. I'm just using very simple ingredients, some flour and a little bit of glue. You want to mix it up really good. You're kind of looking for a pancake batter consistency. Now there's all sorts of techniques for paper mache, but I'm just using paper towels because I like the way they make it look. Kind of gives it a skin-like texture. I'm gonna let this dry for a day or so. And now we just paint it. I'm starting off with some green. Now I'm going to hit it with some yellow. You don't have to use an airbrush. You can easily do all of this with a paintbrush. For the teeth, we're using upholstery foam. I'm just going to cut in a little bit of texture here. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of primer. Use some yellows and some reds, and did a final dry brush with some white. I cut them all various sizes, and I'm going to pin them in temporarily before I decide how I want to cement them permanently. Looks good to me. And now we just finish up the paint job. I'm going to go a little darker with the blue here. And once you finish with that, you just repeat the same process with the other side. We made a tongue and attached it to the base. We have a little reindeer motor connected to a pulley system, but I'm not sure it's going to be strong enough to move the plant. We want the motor to also control some vines that we made out of pool noodles. I'll add a link if you want to check out that process. We built a flower pot around the base and hid all the contraptions inside. We're making some leaves to go around the crown. We're going to make about 7 of these. I'm using the same green, yellows, and blues. And we just decorated with all the foliage we could find. And now we just wait for the food to show up.